Hi, this is Andy Doctor. I'm sure most people have a crazy dealership story, but my story is going to surprise you. It's one surprise after another. So if you could stay until the end, and you won't be disappointed. This is a 2019 Audi Q7, still about 2 months left in warranty. So I decided to use OBD11 to scan the car to make sure there's no problem with it, and if not, I will ask the dealership to try to fix them. After a complete system scan, OBD11 report 15 fault code. Honestly, most of the codes are not super important, but there are a few that indeed catch my eye. One of them was a transmission code, which could be really major. Luckily, it's intermittent. There was static code of a leak gauge sensor, also a static code of glass breakage sensor. Now, honestly tell you, before I left, what I care most was the transmission code, even though it is intermittent. The two static one wasn't so important in my mind. Also, the car lose coolant since new, and that could be major. After about 1 hour, the tech told me the only real code in his machine was the glass breakage sensor. No other ones are important, and I was fine with that. Then he gave me the first surprise. Hey, I do not know how that sensor look like. I do not know where it is. He then said he need to look at some documents. I told him no problem, take your time, I will wait. After another hour, the tech told me that one piece of glass on my car was not genuine. Somebody replaced it, and that's why. He even showed me what's on the car, and he said that look, on the right side of the window you have the sensor. Right now you see that yellow wire supposedly is the sensor according to the tech, and the left side doesn't. That's why it is not genuine part, and that's why somebody must have replaced them. That was the second surprise, I guess. I told the tech the car was bought new and I never had any accidents. Was it possible that Audi actually put the wrong part onto it? He said that's possible, but to pull that to Audi, my chance was super small, and we need to get the district manager involved, and he doesn't come in every day. It's not going to be today. At that moment, I feel that, oh well, okay, fine, I can come back later, but we get another surprise really soon. At the front desk, the lady told me I need to pay the labor $179.95 for 1 hour because this is not an Audi part, and that's why it's not covered by warranty. And I said, what? What? So I told her again, I bought a car new, never have any accidents. If this is a wrong part, it came from Audi. There's no reason I need to pay that. But she insists I have to pay because it's not a genuine Audi part. Hey, it's not under warranty. We back and forth, no progress. Then she said, do you want to talk to my manager? I said, sure. So I wait for about 10 minutes. The manager come in. But honestly, we're just back and forth for the same item. I decline to pay. They insist that I need to pay. And I just feel that there's no way out. And I was thinking about what I can do. They have my car, they have my key. What can I do? Suddenly, the manager said, hey, you don't want to pay? No, absolutely not. Well, you don't have to, but never come back. Well, that's another surprise, I guess. But I took it. Definitely, I won't come back. And I actually get a receipt. As you can see, he wrote off the $179.95. On other part of the document, it still appeared that they charged Audi something like $500 because obviously other part was covered by warranty. It's not my business, but I just want to let you know. When I get back, I decided to talk to others who drive the same car. And you know what? Another surprise. No exception. All those cars, the right side have that yellow wire. The left side doesn't. So it is the right glass to start with. During our debate, the manager did mention the first time the code ever came up was August 5th, 2020. It's recorded in the system. But at that time, we're both busy arguing whether it is genuine part. neither of us really paid that much attention to that detail. Now I know for sure the part was right, was genuine, come from Audi. I realized that day was about the same day I asked Best Buy to install remote start onto this car. And I checked the records, it's actually exactly the day. So the conclusion was Best Buy did not do a good job. One wire was not connected. So it is Best Buy's fault or my fault, honestly, as I discovered. However, there was no reason for me to pay them the money when I was in a dealership debating on whose fault was that. According to their logic, I replaced it, but I bought the car new again. I never have any accidents. I believe Audi put the wrong part into it. They want me to prove that I did not replace it. Of course, I want them to prove that Audi indeed put the right one onto it, and neither of us could prove anything. So, with straight and square, I denied the payment. If the tech was slightly more capable though, he definitely should be able to figure out what's going on. And yes, at that point, I will owe them not just $200, probably will be 500 or more because it would took longer time for him to open up the panel, etc. But he's just so incapable. So big. At this moment, I still don't own anything because I find it out myself. I hope you get enough surprise, and let me tell you this. No tags are reliable. If you could, do it yourself. Look, this is like a dealership. The tag could not even diagnose the simplest problem. And you will not be an exception. Trust me, your car breaks down all the time because the person who services your car. In fact, I have an older video saying, who breaks your car? Whoever services your car. Welcome to check it out. The link is in the description. And I hope you learned something useful from me today or enough surprise. If so, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.